Hi guys, this is Nehal. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little bit of a different video for you guys versus my usual makeup tutorials and product reviews. Today I'm going to be taking you through how to create your own extensions at home. Now extensions can really be expensive and really run up your bill. Now if you're looking for a more cost-effective way to get those extensions, that length and that thickness in your hair, and you don't want to go out and spend so much money, then this is the video for you. First thing that you need is hair. So you can go to any beauty supply store where they sell weave or wigs or anything like that, and you can buy hair that's going to be on a track like this. The recent ones that I got are from a brand called Sasha, and it's 100% human hair. And basically this is what you get. It's the hair that's on a track like this. So it's hair that's like sewn together on like this piece of fabric. So this is what an extension looks like. So this is what it looks like. And it's literally a long piece of hair like this. So once you have your hair, you need this, some black thread and a needle, these extension and wig clips. So they're basically like clips that just like pop in and on. So they look like this. You take your hair and you can use it like this if you want to, a single strand. It'll just be really thin. So if you have really thin hair, this might be the way to go about it. But if you want a little bit of a thicker piece, then what you can do is you can literally take that piece and fold it over into a double. And that already thickens it up because you're doubling up the hair. So what I did was I actually did it 3 times because I wanted a little bit more fullness. So I took that hair, took that piece, and I folded it over 3 times. So I created it like this. And you can just cut that fabric where you think would be enough. So I'm gonna cut it right there. So this is what approximately my piece will be. I'm gonna do about 3-inch piece. So taking that 3-inch and just folding it over. So this is what the extension looks like now with it folded over 3 times. So you can just sew these 3 pieces together, so with your needle and thread right along where the fabric is, right along there. And then you can take, when that's kind of joined together and like you have one solid piece, you take your clip. You're going to notice that the clip is a little bit curved. The front of the clip has the comb in it. This is the back of the clip. So what you want to do is that you basically want to have that comb facing out. So let's say at my extension, this is how the extension looks. You want to sew this clip onto that piece of fabric with the comb facing out because you want the curve to sit on the top of your head. Our heads are round, so you need a little bit of that curvature so it lies flat on your head versus like sticking out and you looking like there's things on your head. And obviously you need something to like hold your hair in because when the comb is outside, it's going to sit into your hair like that. And this is what it will look like. This is already curled a little bit, this piece of extension, and you can like comb it through. And when you sew it together, this is what that extension looks like. Super seamless. The clips are right there. And you can just tell that the comb is right there as well. This will just like clip into my hair really nicely. And that's it. You can create as many pieces as you like. I only really created 2 pieces for myself, but basically I took a 3-inch and a 4-inch piece because the nape of our neck is shorter and then it gets wider as it goes higher. So it would also be a good idea for you to kind of measure alongside your head and see from ear to ear how wide of a piece you need. If you have thinner hair, you don't want to go too high because then you're going to start to see the extensions and you don't want that. You can create 1 or 2 or just 1 piece here for about 2 inches here, 2 inches here to kind of give you that extra length. And this is such a cost-effective way to go about creating your own extensions. And just always make sure to buy 100% human hair so you're able to do everything that you do to your own head. You don't want to buy synthetic fibers, you don't want to buy synthetic hair. It will burn and your money's going to be going down the drain. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Please comment down below and let me know if this is something that you have tried or are going to try. I would love to hear from you guys. And as always, please like this video and subscribe to my channel so you can be up to date with all the new content that I'll be posting from now on. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!